From a conversion van to a pop-up to a travel trailer, and now this beautiful Class A motor coach. Gary and Norma, you ready to take a tour inside and welcome us into your home?
Absolutely. Come on in.
Come on in. This is our living space. We have a nice comfortable couch. We sit and watch the fireplace. And coming over here more into the kitchen area, we have a full dishwasher, microwave, cooking top, really a lot of space. Love it. We have our half bathroom for our guests, which is nice because then we have our other bathroom, which is in our master suite here, king size bed. There's a shower and our washer dryer's in there, and it's home. It really is.
So Norma and Gary, tell me a little bit about how you guys first got into the RV world.
It started when we got married. We went on a cross-country trip, and we've been RVing ever since. We're both school teachers, so we had 8 weeks every summer to travel, and we just took off over the summer, every summer.
You know, we do a lot of bicycle riding. He's an avid cyclist. I try to find tennis courts around the area, and there is one up in Harbor Springs, which I started playing.
Especially here in Petoskey, I feel like with the beautiful water.
Oh, yeah.
How's that bike riding out here been?
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. This wheelway is fantastic. We rode to Charlevoix this morning.
How many miles?
It's about a 25-mile round trip.
That's amazing.
Beautiful. The lake on the side, beautiful.
I ate pancakes this morning. I did nothing. So you got me beat today, that's for sure. But I'm glad you rode for the both of us, for all three of us. So thank you for that. That's true leadership right there. So from being a teacher, I mean, what did those summers mean for you guys as a couple? I feel like that tradition of every summer when class goes out, you know, me as a student, I remember that was the highlight of my life, was once that last day of school.
That's our highlight. It was our highlight too. I mean, we worked hard, 10 months and, 110% teaching. I taught middle school, 12-year-olds, not easy. And when that school bell hit and we were out on the road, it was just...
Well, teachers work about 185 days a year. So it was about right for me. I needed a day to work and a day to recuperate half the year.
That's amazing.
So we also did, these spring breaks and Christmas breaks and traveled RV during those times.
Where's the house at now?
Naples, Florida.
So now, walk us through what's this look like from you guys traveling all the way out here in Petoskey, Michigan, to getting all the way back home in Naples.
Well, we stop in North Carolina because we have a place that we go to there. But basically, our days are shorter than they used to be. We like traveling about 350 miles, 400 miles in a day, and wake up, get on the road 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, and stop 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
What's been your guys' favorite part about just the whole RV life?
I guess the fact that we have our own bed, we have our own stuff. It's the stuff, A lot of our friends fly away and they go to hotels, and they're all, and we just go, well, we just have our own things and we leave it in here. We basically, when we come to the RV, when we go for weekends or little trips, we take food. That's all we need to do.
Yeah, separate clothes in here and everything. Yep. And I like being able to bring my guitar with me, and I carry a keyboard with me, and our bicycles. So
stop.
It's a tough question, Gary, but if you had to choose one, you bring your guitar on the road?
Oh, yeah.
Or my wife.
You said it. You said it, not me.
Both. Yeah.
I appreciate you guys for the time today. Thank you. That was awesome.
It's our pleasure. We got to go for a bike ride.
All right, we got to go get our helmets.
I'll get them for you.
Okay, Joey, thanks.
Got lots of love for our teachers, Gary and Norma, today. Who was your favorite teacher growing up? Comment below using the hashtag #MySunYourSide to win a Sun Outdoors gift card. And if you want to be a part of the next RV Cribs, click the link in the description and let us know where we should come next.